Are you a warehouse worker or planning to take on the role? If so, you can follow a proper layout to perform better. And keep the warehouse goods and yourself away from all possible dangers. To improve your knowledge in this area, we've got something that you need. An effective e-learning course on Perform Warehouse Operation. This course will enable you recognize the different types of incoming goods, identification on products, packing symbols, warning signs and packing materials. The course also introduces you to the FAST technique to enhance warehouse operations, that is flow, accessibility, space and throughput. So what are you waiting for? Enroll immediately to learn more about Perform Warehouse Operations.